What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on LCID ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with a bunch of news and some of them are positive and some of them are negative. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, somewhere at this point, and I've told you that we have a decent movement to the upside, but we didn't break the previous swing high. And we were anticipating and still anticipating their delivery numbers. They should deliver from 520 to 577 vehicles by the end of 2021. And we don't have these numbers yet, and it is quite suspicious in my opinion. But still, we have this massive movement to the upside right after we broke the golden pocket, the 0.65 level range. But I have to say that we have only week on a 4 hours time frame that is below this range of $35.6. And I have to say that this might be an artificial movement that was right before the trading hours. And let me show you that the volume of this movement to the upside is really good. As you can see, we can compare it with the volume even on the mid of November when we hit its all-time highs. So, and let's dive deep into the news that potentially drive the price from this point to this one. And here it is. We are on official Twitter of Lucid Motors, and on January the 5th they posted this. Expansion to European markets will begin this year. Stay tuned for country-specific delivery information. And it was the answer on the tweet that was posted on January the 2nd about the deliveries in the United Kingdom. And let me show you that officially Lucid announced that they have online reservations from customers in Austria, Belgium, Denmark, Finland, France, Germany, Iceland, Italy, Monaco, Netherlands, Norway, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland and the United Kingdom. So bunch of European countries that might open the Lucid expansion into the Europe. And that's why potentially we have this surge in volume and in price. And let's continue with other news. We don't have any news related to their deliveries. We don't have exact numbers, and it is quite suspicious because we have the numbers of other EV manufacturers that already disclosed their Q4 deliveries, but we don't have these numbers for Lucid, and it is quite suspicious. So let's continue with this Twitter. It is a bear's workshop, and let me show you that 2 hours ago he posted this picture, and he says, lots of movements today at Lucid. Total car count is 63. It looks like up to 39 of these could be new cars. 29 cars are in the same spots as Wednesday. And I have to say that we have this area that is completely empty, and on his previous, as you can see on his previous picture, we have 14 cars that were right here. So I think they still moving their cars to new customers. They are still delivering them, and it is a very good sign. But why they didn't disclose the exact number, I don't know. And let me show you this article. It was published on torquenews.com, and it's titled Lucid Air customer deliveries are being delayed by fit and finish parts issue. And this article was published on January the 4th, and the main idea of this article that a lot of customers received phone calls from Lucid with information regarding a parts issue that causes Lucid to withhold delivery of certain examples. And this means that Lucid is still experiencing some problems with their supply chain. And let me show you this video. This video was made by Warren Redlich, and it is an extremely bearish video on Lucid, but you have to keep in mind all the facts that are existing for now for Lucid. And he also says that Lucid delivered a bunch of cars with issues. Some of these issues are not so significant, like missing autopilot or some kind of issues with the software, and I think it might be fixed with their updates. But all in all, you have to keep an eye on this news, and you have to realize all the risks that might be related to the deliveries. So, and let me show you another important article in my opinion. It was published 1 day ago on Investor Place, and it says: Dear LCID stock fans, mark your calendars for a catalyst on January 19th. And the January 19th is the second lock-up period when the first investors in this company might sell their stocks. And I have to say that the first lockup period was right here. The ending of this lockup period was exactly on September the 1st. And during this date, Lucid stock price fell as low as 25%. So that's why we have to be cautious, and that's why we should rely not only on a positive news but also on a negative news, because the more information we know, the wiser decision we might have. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let me show you that this movement to the upside potentially might be a very good sign, because technically we broke previous swing high right here. As you can see, it was at $42.7 and this highest point is $43.19. And definitely we should have some kind of retracement in order to collect more steam to hit higher targets. And this movement to the downside might be your accumulation points. And keep an eye on this bottom, because technically we broke the golden pocket, and definitely we might see lower prices because of this breakout. And that's why, if you want to catch the trade, accumulate your position on the way down, and your stop loss should be slightly below this previous bottom. And if you want to invest in this company and you want to put your money into Lucid for quite some time, in my opinion, it is still very good range of investment, because we hit exactly the golden pocket, and if we will go lower, this movement to lower prices should not be for a long period of time. And what are the targets? Because of this breakout, we should adjust our tool, and that's why we have new targets for the top of our fifth wave. First target right here should be at 0.786 at $64.95. Next one at 1-to-1 extension at $73.45, and the most aggressive target right here at 1.618 extension level at $97.98. So we still have these targets as our major targets for the top of the fifth wave, but we have to keep in mind that because of this breakout below the $35.6 price point, we can go lower and hit some lower levels in upcoming month. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!